Well, we taught a course together several years back. I can't
Right.
remember how many.
Yeah, I don't either.
That was a course on, Stu focuses on timing issues and I deal with spatial issues. And so we really talked about space and time.
Right, the true Einstein
Yeah. Right.
space-time continuum.
We enjoyed teaching together and then we stayed in touch, and that was at a lunch conversation where we realized that we were both quite interested in this challenge and the opportunity of an aging population.
Well, the basic structure really is a triangle model. We form groups that will have three parts of the triangle. There'll be the student, the retiree, and the organization that needs help.
We think there'll be learning going on in all ways. I mean, in addition to whatever they may learn from the two of us, the retirees in the class have also a lot to teach. And they also have a lot to learn from our students who may be more savvy with technology, for example. The other Grand Challenge course I've co-taught with Fred Rose and Steve Kelly, I mean, the students couldn't get enough of it, and many of them have gone on to continue these projects even after the course had ended, and I think we'll find the same thing here.
And in terms of the workplace, millennials now have the challenge of working in organizations across multiple generations. And this is a perfect opportunity to figure out how to communicate across generations.
Right, it's this idea of people need purpose, and so this class can help a retiree community have a sense of purpose, why get up in the morning. And also I think for students, I think education does its job well when students leave here with a passion about something.
If it grows, if it becomes something important, then it changes society. The benefits are enormous. You have someone with a similar sensibility but brings complementary assets to a problem that really is important.
It's really delightful to find a colleague in a different discipline who, as Stu said, shares a certain sensibility, a certain set of interests, but comes at it completely differently or from another perspective. It helps both of us sort of think about our work in new ways. And as well, I think this is how new knowledge is created. I think a lot of knowledge really happens at the edges of fields where two fields kind of bump into each other rather than at the core of our fields. And I actually have found over my career here at the university, some of the most stimulating conversations I have are with people not in my department, not in my college, but across the institution. And I think that's the value of these Grand Challenge courses too, is that students are coming from across the institution. We're all going to be looking at common problems from very different perspectives. We will learn a lot in this process, and I think that is always one of the delights of being a professor and teaching, is you're learning as you go. You learn from your students. We'll certainly learn a lot from the communities that we're working in. And I just find it is a situation where there will be all kinds of surprises. There'll be unexpected things, and a lot of this is kind of improv.
Yeah, I think that's the metaphor. It's improvisational jazz.
Yeah.
We know some of the components. We know some of the themes. How we put it together depends on how the group, the synergies of the different capacities and opportunities as they emerge in real time.